To add to this video, sometimes the stainless is a little bit old and more tarnished, and so, or if you have scratches in it, take some 1500 wet dry sandpaper. You can sand it down with that first. This piece here was a little bit more dull than some of the other on this car. This will take out any of those little tiny scratches and make it polish out a little quicker. I don't have to do it 2 or 3 times. And I'm going to go over our steel wool, 4-aught steel wool. And I usually do just little sections at a time. Don't like to leave painter's tape on there too long. Stainless polish is best after if you press hard enough to get it warm. This is just barely warm. And I'm pretty happy with that. And for your information, what we're working on is a 59 Edsel. Thanks for watching.